What's up, beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing something really fun. I've been waiting for this palette. This is by Mavie or Mavie Cosmetics. I'm not even sure. This is their Take Me to Tokyo palette. So I'm just gonna give you guys, so it comes in a nice little sleeve like this. It retails for about $30 US. I will try and link their website below. It comes in this really cute packaging. I love it. It comes with a full-size mirror, which you know is like a bonus for me, and it comes with 9 shades. So if you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. We are going to get right into this video, so stick around. So something a little different for this video is I'm actually going to swatch all of these colors onto my arm. I watch a lot of Annette's makeup channel, and I love that she does this, so I've decided that I'm going to do it for this video. I will link her below. If you're interested in eyeshadow, seriously, go check her out. She has done every palette under the sun. She is like the eyeshadow palette guru. So we're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna just go from left, and I'm just gonna swatch them all right here on my arm. So I have to say the color story of this palette is so freaking crazy. That's why I ordered it. I am really excited. Like this one right here, I don't know what it is about green shadows, but they just make me want to put them on my eyes. So we're just gonna get right into it, and I'm going to prime my eyes using, we're gonna get rocking and rolling. Now that my eyes are primed, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is Passport Renewal. I'm going to take it on this AOA Studio brush, and I'm just going to set the Tarte Shape Tape, because sometimes I find when I'm using Shape Tape, I need to put something down, and because it's in this palette, we're just going to go for it. And we're going to see how this palette works. So I have a general idea of what I want to do. I'm going to take the shade Pinku Gal, and I'm going to, so it's this pink shade, I'm gonna just toss that into my crease. Ooh, that is pigmented. For being such a light shade, that actually like has some decent color. You guys see that? Oh, if you guys have tried this brand or heard of this brand before, if you have, please let me know. I have been eyeing these palettes, like seriously, for so long now, and I'm really excited that I get to put them on my eyes. So I'm just gonna take this matte pink shade, this bright pink shade. I don't want to put a lot on. I just want to give it a little bit more color than that initial pink. So I'm just gonna buff that into the crease as well. I'm using my Morphe R34 brush. Like, look at the pigment there. Nice. Just windshield wiper motions back and forth through the crease. Just building the color. This is buildable. I'm pretty sure that if I went in with like a heavy hand in here, I would get so much more pigment, but I don't really want to do that. This is a first. Slow and steady wins the race. That's the way I see it. All right. So there we have the pink. Now I am going to do something a little crazy. Crazy is happening now. We're going in with the BH Cosmetics flat brush. This is the 130, and we're going to go in with the green in the shade Anime Fan, and we're going to pack it all over the lid. This might work, this might not. We're just going for it. Oh yes. Really nicely with a brush. I could wet the brush and it would probably make it much more intense, but for the sake of this as being a first impressions, I'm not going to do that. I could also pick it up on my finger. Whew, that is green. All right, so now we're going to go back in with that same first brush. I'm going to go back in with this pink shade right here, and I'm just going to build that color up around the green a little bit. And I'm back after dropping my drink all over the room. This brush, this is my Morphe M149, and I'm gonna just go in with this pink shade, and I'm just gonna kind of drag it along my lower lash line right now. Just a little bit. And I'm just gonna deepen this up a little. Next, I'm going to do something that might be a little crazy, but we're going to do it anyways. We're going to go in with the shade Subculture. This is this like satin purple. And I'm just going to focus it over the outer corner. I feel like I kind of came up with a really weird look here, but that's okay. So I'm just going to clean up the edges, and I will be back, and I'm going to put the rest of my makeup on, and then I'll be back to talk about what I think about this eyeshadow palette. Welcome back. So we are just going to talk about this. I hope you enjoyed watching me put my makeup on. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this type of a video? Do you like the way that it's sort of set up? Or is there something you'd like to see different? Because I will totally do that. Now, I am really excited about this palette. I will say though, there's something about the way that these pans are set. Like, I feel like I could pull them out. That's the only disappointing part. These shadows are pretty easy to use. Were they a little bit, they're super pigmented. I really wanted to take my time with them. I think that they are more buildable and they're a little easier to use that way, but I will definitely try out the rest of these colors. So let me know in the comments below, do you want to see more videos like this? And do you want to see another one with this palette? Because I think I could come up with a few more looks. So there we are. So overall, this retails for $30 US, and yes. Do I have another one coming? Yes, I'm very excited to use it. I love the idea of these because they're city themed. So all in all, the color story here called to me. I love it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this type of video, and make sure you give this a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do. I love hanging out with you guys, and I will see you in my next one.